Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm going to bring you an update on HaruInvest. Basically, it is on the Ethereum's platform, the investment product. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And let's get started. So for you guys who do not know what is HaruInvest, I'm going to do basically a short introduction briefly on what is HaruInvest. Basically, it is a crypto hedge fund. I would say basically you put your crypto in with them, and after that, it's simple. To understand it, they will use your funds to trade, and from there they make income, and after that, yeah, basically they take some fee if you're gonna use the Haru Invest product. If not, you can use the Haru Earn Plus, which is like the depository account, this deposit interest account, basically on the Haru Earn and the Haru Earn Plus. These two over here, what's the difference? For Haru Earn itself, it is a flexible plan, so you can deposit, like, let's say your Bitcoin, Ethereum, if not US dollar, into Haru Earn, and after that, from there it is going to give you a percentage of 7.27, and after 8.2 per annum. So over here, this is 365 days count on, you will receive like 7.2%, and after that, this rate over here every 2 weeks, or maybe every 2 weeks or 1 month, it is gonna change from time to time. And after that, this is basically there's no lockup. Basically, you can withdraw your funds anytime you want. And after that, for the Haru Earn Plus itself, it is very straightforward, the same feature and everything, just that you have to lock up your cryptocurrency. So the minimum is 15 days, and after that, you can see if you're gonna lock let's say 90 days or so, around 91 days, it's gonna give you like 11.21%. So the more you put, the longer you put in, the higher the interest rate is. And after that, of course, this is not the highest interest rate out there on their product itself. The product itself, it is the Haru Invest. Basically over here, this is the highest rates that they are offering. So over here, you can see Bitcoin is targeted at 25%, and US Tether is at 22.5%, and the lockup period is, if you're going to invest in this Haru Invest, basically 25%, and after that 3 month period, and after that the asset is Bitcoin. And for US Tether, you can put in 1 month, and after that it is 22.5%. And of course, they have recently they have released this Ethereum investment, so I'm going to talk about it, and after that do a review. So stay tuned. So over here, you can see that they have released this new Ethereum product over here. So I'm going to do a quick, not say quick, basically an in-depth review talking about what it's all about. This beyond staking. This is the name of the product, and after that it is under Haru Invest, and after that you can invest low risk, high return strategy, taking advantage of the inefficiency between cryptocurrency futures exchange. So this over here, they use your funds and leverage, and of course there are some, I would say, like trading bot to do that. And after that, for this Haru Invest Ethereum staking, beyond staking, it is recommended for people who are confident. Basically those who are confident the number of major crypto future exchange will increase as the market basket grow. And after that, those who are mistakenly that DeFi staking has high yield, where in fact basically on Ethereum itself, for DeFi staking itself, it is a bit, basically you can see on DeFi out there, they are giving like maybe 100%, 200%, or even 1000% per annum. Just that you have to know that if, let's say, you're gonna use your funds, maybe you only have $1,000 to play on DeFi itself. You must know that right now on Ethereum itself, the gas fee is still, I would say, is medium, not that high. Previously, like I would say around 1 or 2 months back itself, the gas fee is around, if you want to do a transaction with the smart contract itself, it's going to cost you from 15 all the way to $50 or even $100 per transaction. So we hear this is whatever they're stating, it is true. Basically, for the gas fee itself, it is burning a lot of people on their profits. And after that, those who are just holding Ethereum in the exchange. So let's say many of you out there, I believe you guys have Ethereum. If let's say you're in a cryptocurrency game, and after that, basically, let's say you're using Binance or whatsoever exchange out there, you're basically holding your Ethereum on the exchange itself. And of course, on Binance itself, they have some staking plan interest rate they give you. It is around, I would say, like Ethereum is it's definitely less than 3%, and after that, or around 5%. I would not guarantee that, but from what I know, that if you're gonna stake on an exchange, the interest rate is freaking low. Or let's say you have a hardware wallet, or let's say whatever software wallet you're holding. Basically, you're holding your funds in your private keys, and after that, over here, you are not basically working. Your Ethereum is not working for you. I would say not working hard enough. If you understand what I'm saying. So over here, you can see the target target for their Ethereum asset, it is targeted at 21.5%. Basically, this over here is just I would say just an estimate. And after that, this over here, it is per annum. Please note, and after that, for the investment term itself, you have to lock up for 3 months plus. And after that, the product information. So all futures exchange in the traditional markets have the same uniform operation model due to the tight regulation. However, in the crypto market, even though all the crypto exchange supports the same cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, they all run on their own logic. Basically, their system itself runs on whatever they set the rule is, the rules, and after that the fees, which is slightly from each other exchange. And after that, such crypto exchange are growing rapidly, and currently there are 10 exchanges that they categorize as major crypto futures exchange. Basically, I would say this over here, I would say one of them is definitely BitMEX, and after that, the secondly, I would say Binance, if you want to count Binance Future, which is high volume, and after that, very reputable, Deribit, and of course, there's also like Bybit, and after that, many more exchange. So they are able to develop a very low risk but high return. This over here, I would say that if you read about this, it is a bit skeptical, and of course, it's a bit sketchy. But to be honest, low risk but high return, exploiting the inefficiency created by different exchange. Basically, what they are talking about using this the strategy itself is basically trading on multiple exchange. Basically, let's say exchange A is selling Ethereum at 28,000 and exchange B is selling Ethereum at $27,050. So these are the difference between the exchange. That's why they are able to exploit, not really exploit, but arbitrage trade. And after that, over there, basically they have a system to do that. And after that, with this strategy, they are able to create remarkable, profitable yet stable results in all 12 months for the past 1 year. And after that, right now, they like to share this investment opportunity to the public. So over here, you can see the product name is Beyond Staking, assets Ethereum only. And after that, the investment period is 3 months. Matures on the last day of the 3 month. After subscription, extension is possible. And after that, the minimum is 0.005 Ethereum. The strategy is over here. Algorithm, futures trading market, high frequency trading. Basically, this is using their, I would say, many people say it's an AI intelligent, artificial intelligent trading algorithm or whatsoever, but I would say it's just an algorithm that runs on, I would say, like, because high frequency, they will need to have very powerful machine to do this high frequency trading. Therefore, they have high-end computer to do this. And after that, the fees over here is very simple to understand. So let's say, because this product is relatively new, and after that, there's no results yet, to be honest. So I'm going to show you my own personal. So over here, you can see I've just started it on the day of its launch, but right now there's no. So they have launched this product on the 27th of April, and after that, right now I have to wait for 15 days for them to show the results. But right now there is no results. Therefore, I will do an update again if the results is shown. And after that, over here, you can see that if let's say if it underperform, basically if let's say your interest, the payout that they are giving right now is let's say 15% per annum, the fee that they charge is 0%. And after that, if let's say the performance rate of this investment exceeded 15%, they will charge a 15% fee on your total profit. So let's say I have 10.1 Ethereum over here. The profit is maybe 1 Ethereum for example, and after that is definitely more than 15%. They will take the 1 Ethereum that is profited from this strategy is gonna deduct 15% for fee. So do not be. Some people might adopt like 15% of the total profit. Like I don't know, some people do not understand what is this. Basically, they are not gonna take your capital they are not gonna deduct 15% from your capital. Therefore, only the profits that they generated from the strategy. So over here, this is the performance. So they have back tested this. So the actual performance record is reported on the 15th and basically every month, 15th and 30th of each month, it is going to have an update. So the update is going to be shown over here, and after that you can read whatever is there. And after that, if I'm not wrong, they have backtested this for a period of time, and you can see that within these few months, of testing, it is performing at around 11%, if I'm not wrong. So over here, so the frequently asked question, what is the good investment period? Basically on cryptocurrency market itself, I would say that if people ask me what is the best time to enter, I would say if you're going for long term, why not just do it now? And after that, it doesn't matter if the price, if you're gonna like invest for 1 or 2 years, yeah, go ahead. But this is not financial advice. Basically, it's just my own personal opinion, and of course, the time I am in the cryptocurrency market. And after that, no matter whether the price of cryptocurrency market goes up or down, blah blah blah. And after that, basically they need 3 months to show results, and yeah, stable income, stuff like this. So over here, so what's the risk involved? So over here, as we all know that it is trading on the futures market or whatsoever. So let's say if their system hangs, or let's say they get liquidated or something like this, yeah, basically there's risk of losing your funds, of course losing your loss of. So over here you can see the product is subjected to risk of partial or complete loss of the principal invested, and after that the burden for any losses or reduction in the amount invested lies solely with the investor. And of course, HaruInvest cannot refund you your initial capital because they already stated on their terms and conditions. And to be honest, all investment out there has risk, and of course you can't blame them if they're not giving you money. But to be honest, I'm going to show you my own personal results and of course performance. So so you know I've been with HaruInvest for quite some time, and of course this over here you can see it's been running. And of course, yeah, I've started on the 4th of April, and right now on the 15th of April it has already shown me some results. So you can see the return has been fairly always stabilized. I would say it is always in the green zone, and of course, yeah, why not? I'm happy. So you can see 0.6%, and per annum is around 19%. So I have to wait for the next results to understand, and after that realize the next, basically wait for the next result, and after that this over here is gonna change. And to be honest, I put in around 1.001. So right now I've earned this amount for around 1 month. So I've already in on this contract for almost 1 month, and after that you can see that they have generated this amount to me. And after that, for the 30th of April, it has not reflected the performance, therefore I can't see it and I can't do an update on it. So yeah, a moment. So over here, as you can see, this is one of the previous contract that I've been with on HaruInvest. So for December 2020 towards March 2021, over here I deposit like 0.07, and after that it has give me around this amount in net profit. And after that you can see that, yeah, basically how much did I deposit? The amount that I deposit is around, I would say, 1, if I'm not wrong. Or yep, so over here you can see I've deposited like around 1.20 Bitcoin previously, and after that for this 3 month of waiting, it has generated me around 0.05 after the deduction of the performance fee. So here you can see this is the fee. So if you want to look at the US dollar, it's gonna be this amount. So the performance fee is around $600, and my profit is around 3,500. And I would say it is quite reasonable. To be honest, they charge, I would say, if you want to compare with hedge fund out there or company that can trade for you, or let's say generate you passive income, I would say that they normally charge from, I would say, how to say, from 25% towards 35%, depending on, yeah, basically, if you want to look at Forex, there's some copy trading strategy out there. If you're going to use eToro, it's totally free. But if let's say you're going to use other product like Forex Times or some other platform out there, they are going to charge you from 20% to 40% just by trading for you. But to be honest, on HaruInvest, they charge the lowest. It is only 15%. I would say I'm willing to give them that 15% of the performance fee, because you can see over here, this is the detail. So every 15 days, you can see I have the returns that they are giving is quite insane. So out of these 3 months, I've generated almost 5%, 5.8%, and after that, yeah, basically what is stated is somehow true. More deposit crypto, and after that more crypto out. And of course you can see over here there's notes. They they break down, and after that they explain to you what is happening on each month. And after that, yeah, basically it's just a small summary on the investment, so they can explain to you what's going on for the 3 month of your contract. And to be honest, I'm with HaruInvest for quite some time, so I'm going to show it to you. So over here, as you can see that I've been with HaruInvest for almost 184 days, and after that, I would say the results and of course the product I've been using, it is, yeah, basically they exceed my expectation, and of course they are giving out like legit high paying rewards. And after that, I can show you over here. I've done withdrawals before, so if you want to look at it, I can show you the withdrawals that I've done previously. So over here you can see I've done a withdrawal of 1.08, and yeah, it is in my wallet. And of course you can click on this TXID if you want to check it out. So yep, you can see it is in, and after the withdrawal fee is around 0.001 if I'm not wrong for Bitcoins. Yep, Bitcoin is 0.0001, which is, I would say, so far the lowest withdrawal fee compared to the exchange. And for Ethereum itself, it is 0.005 US Tether. It is around 1 US Tether only. So I would say that if you want to withdraw from HaruInvest, the fee itself is very cheap, to be honest. And after that, if let's say you want to withdraw from an exchange, normally it's going to take like $15 to around $20 just by withdrawing your cryptocurrency from whatever exchange you are using. And for Bitcoin itself, it's slightly higher, and of course for Ethereum, it's also slightly higher. But to be honest, HaruInvest is charging the cheapest withdrawal fee, in my opinion. So if you guys are interested, you can use the product, use my referral link down below, and after that, from there you can get a bonus of 0.2% on your investment on Haru Earn and Haru Earn Plus. But for HaruInvest, there's no additional bonuses. But of course, using my referral link down below is gonna help the channel out a lot, to be honest. And after that, if you guys want to like do a deposit interest account staking on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, if not US Tether, feel free to use the Haru Earn. If you are skeptical, I would say you can use the Haru Earn to put your funds in for maybe 7 days, and after that see the results, and you can try withdrawing after you make some money to cover the withdrawal fee. And of course, if let's say you are confident enough, you want to diversify your investment. So for the HaruInvest itself, it is a high risk investment. Therefore, I would say if you want to diversify, you can use the Haru Earn Plus, and after that, at the same time, use the HaruInvest to basically lock up your funds. And after that, from there you can try out their products on Haru Earn Plus, and of course HaruInvest. And from there you can basically, I will not say go all in into one of any specific product, but of course diversify your investment. So you can place it on the Haru Earn Plus, and after that HaruInvest. So let's say within these 3 months you do not need to touch your Ethereum, Bitcoin, or US Tether. You can put it on the HaruInvest, if not Haru Earn Plus, or totally your choice. And of course, note that basically over here there's this platform itself, it is also high risk, because I would say cryptocurrency is a high risk investment. So invest on what you can afford to lose, not all in. So I've come to the end of the video, and I hope you like the video. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up. And of course, I'm going to see you on the next video. Peace.